Good day, amazing organic farming lovers. Welcome back to Convisi Farms. Today we are diving into how to grow and harvest sweet potatoes in sacks. It is done organically and it can be done easy right from your backyard. Whether you are working with a small space or starting your first root crop, this is a guide just for you. Sweet potatoes can be planted all year round. On our small garden, we planted sweet potatoes that has started sprouting so as to get the vines that we planted to get our sweet potatoes tubers. From the experiments we did, planting the sweet potato tubers alone only gave us vines, but not the sweet potato tubers. But when we cut the vines and planted them, it gave us sweet potatoes tubers. Here is how to make your own. Place a healthy sweet potato in a moist soil in a sack. After 2 to 4 weeks, the vines will grow from the tubers. When the vines are long enough, you can start cutting them and plant them in sacks like this. Before you start planting your sweet potato vines, make sure to prepare your soil and your sacks. Sweet potatoes love loose, well-drained soil, so use a mix of sandy loam soil, compost and organic manure. Make sure the sacks are breathable and can drain water. Fill the sacks about 3/4 full, leaving space to add soil later. Plant the vines about 12 to 18 inches apart by burying them 4 to 6 inches deep. Plant 3 to 4 vines per sack. Water them immediately after planting. Sweet potatoes are low maintenance crops, but they still need to be cared for. Water them once a week after planting so that they can gain stamina. Remove weeds when necessary and add compost every 2 to 3 weeks for extra nutrients. Sweet potato also needs to be staked because they are crawling plants. You don't want your environment to be bushy. In 3 to 4 months, the vines will start to turn yellow. That is a sign that your sweet potatoes are ready for harvest. Another trick to know if your sweet potato is ready for harvest is that you can dig and check one tuber for the tuber size. When harvesting, you have to tear the sacks and search into the soil for your sweet potato tubers. After harvesting, place your potatoes in a warm, dry place for 7 to 10 days. This method toughens their skin and improves sweetness. It can be stored in a cool, dry and dark place, and it can stay up to 6 months. That is it. Your organic sweet potato journey is complete, from vines to storage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your fellow growers. And also comment below if you have tried sweet potato farming before, or if you have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching and happy farming. Remain blessed and take charge.